Got lower back pain? You need to stretch your front. Just place a pillow under your lower back, lay completely flat, and stretch your arms overhead. This instantly opens up your tight hip flexors and decompresses your entire spine. Hold this for 5 to 10 minutes and watch your back pain melt away. Got sharp lower back pain right here? Let's fix it fast. Lie face down, bring one knee up, and push your chest off the floor for 15 seconds to safely decompress your spine. Next, drop your shoulder, reach back, and twist for 30 seconds to completely unlock your tight back. Save this and try it tonight. Got shooting pain down the back of your leg? That's your sciatic nerve. Lie flat. Rest one foot on a wall and cross your other leg. Push your knee forward for 60 seconds to instantly release the trapped nerve.